Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to create user account in Windows 11. Now, if you are using Windows 11 or Windows 10, this is actually going to be very helpful for you. Now, go ahead and type here users with S and you should be able to see here add, edit, or remove other users on this device. Go ahead and open that one. And as you can see right now, we don't have any other users here, so I'm going to click add account. And then from this point forward, you're going to go ahead and log in with your Microsoft account. There you go. So this is going to be my username. And then click next right here. All right, to log in the first time, we'll need to be connected to the internet. So I'm going to go ahead and click finish. Click this one right here, and you can see that now we have added. So you can click this one here in order for you to choose what kind of access that this user is going to have, standard user or admin. So if I use standard user, for example, I can click OK. And then from this point forward, you can then go ahead and log out and then choose that user. So click this one right here. And yeah, once you click this one right here, you should be able to log into the other users. Now take note though that you'll have to configure that one out. So you have to be connected to the internet in order for you to get that done. And yep, I hope this video has been helpful for you everyone.